Everybody, Kate Langford here, Kate Langford Career Consulting. How's everyone feeling today? Happy Monday. Very exciting. I'll wait for a few of you to come online. Day 29. Yes, we're nearing the end of my daily live videos for Kate Langford Career Consulting. But I really hope that this has been helpful for everybody throughout this month. Just little tips and tricks that will help you along your way. So today we're going to talk about redundancy. I've had a few people lately, more than a few, ring me and are freaking out a little bit. They've either been made redundant or they've been called to notify them that they need to probably start looking for another job because things are changing, or basically anything that suddenly where you're kind of faced with reality that you need to look for another job and you weren't expecting it. A few things that I want you to think about when this happens. The first one is mindset. And I talk about mindset a lot, but everything happens for a reason. And I know it sounds cheesy, but you know what? This could be your opportunity to actually really do something you want and that you're passionate about. Maybe you've just been in your job up until now doing it, doing the daily grind and going in and whatever. Maybe this is your chance to shine and finally really do something that you want to do that will make you feel fulfilled. Sometimes it's the push that you needed without you even realizing it. So you have two options. You can either freak out, get upset, worry, nervous, frustrated, anxious, angry, all of those things. And I'm not saying you shouldn't feel those, but initially you will. But then I need you to shift the mindset. And there's one word: control. You have the choice to take control of this process. Okay, so I just got off the phone to someone and she was on the phone to her boss and you might be watching, and she has been told it could be like a month, it could be 3 months. She's not sure when it will be. And that's scary because then you're relying on them to keep your job. The key of this is to take control and take control now. So if you know it's inevitable, then don't wait for the 6 months. Don't wait for the 2 months. Start now. Start looking. Take your time, whether it's get your resume in order, work out what you want, get some career coaching, or do a program like something that I offer, or even just start yourself investigating, talking to friends, networking, recruitment agencies, all of those things. So I want you to take control of the situation. When you've been made redundant, it is scary and overwhelming. So initially feel that, but then you need to take control of it, because human nature is, if you can't control something, that's when you freak out. If you can control what's happening and go, righto, what am I going to do? How am I going to do it? Let's go get some help and get it sorted. Controlling it's going to help the mindset so much more rather than waiting or reacting. It's about being proactive instead of reactive, which is what I talk about a lot. So, I don't want you to spiral, and I don't want you to think, I'm not sure what to do. It is overwhelming, and we do specialize a little bit with redundancy as well. I've worked with a lot of people, and mentally it's really confronting. It's scary. The confidence gets knocked. You're not sure what you should even do as a career. You haven't done it for a long time. All of those things happen. So you're not alone. That is what we can help with. But the biggest thing I wanted to deliver here today was the word control. You have to take control of your situation or it will control you. So I hope that helps today. Any questions, please reach out. We do a lot of work with redundancy people or businesses that might need some help in delivering some redundancy help to their people. So let us know if you need that. Email ask@katelangford.com.au. Otherwise, have a really awesome Monday, guys, and I'll talk to you really soon. Bye.